Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna do this warm brown makeup tutorial. So if you guys want to see how I did it, just keep on watching. First is I'm going to moisturize my face with my leljk moisturizer. I like doing this before putting anything on my face so that I can have a smooth canvas. Next is BB cream as my base, and I know it looks really white. It looks really white on the camera, but I'm gonna blend it out with my brush and my hands so that it will set on my face and hopefully it matches my skin. So yeah, oh my god, that forehead, bro. Anyway, I'm just gonna keep on blending that out all over my face. Now to set everything, I'm gonna use this Nintendo translucent powder, and I'm just gonna set my whole face. And yeah, after that, I'm gonna have a little coffee break. Next is brows. I'm gonna use my glasses for this one because I can't see. I'm legally blind, and I'm using this Focal mascara to set my brows. Just because, I have a really thin brow, so I need to do that first before filling in the sparse area in my eyebrows using this Careline brow liner. And don't you worry if you can't even out your brows, you can, cover it out with your bangs. For my eyes, I'm going to use the lightest brown shade in this palette, and I'm just going to put it all over the lid as I follow my eye shape and turning it kind of into a cat eye. To darken up my eyes, I'm going to use the dark brown shade in this palette, like the darkest brown, and I'm just going to put it over the lids, but at the same time, I'm making the cat eye a bit prominent, like a bit obvious, and I'm gonna blend that out with the brush that I used earlier for my transition shade. Next is I'm going to smoke out my under eye, or like my lash line, by using the coffee brown shade in this palette, and I'm just going to put that on my lash line just to smoke out my eyes a bit. I'm also going to blend out everything using a fluffy clean brush. Now for my favorite part, I'm gonna use this Folklore Impressionism palette as my eyeliner, and I'm using the shade Espresso Shot, and I'm using this because I don't want my liner to be super obvious and I just want it to be subtle. Now I'm curling out my eyelashes with my eyelash curler from Miniso, and I'm using two mascaras. The first one is the one that I used for my brows, which is from Folklore, and the second one is from Maybelline, the Hyper Curl Mascara. And I'm doing this because my eyes, like my eyelashes, it can't hold the curl, and I tried my best to just hold that curl in my lashes, but it just can't. So, it is what it is. For my blush and highlight, I'm using this EB Advanced Face Trio, and I'm using the bronzer for my blush because I want my makeup look to be, warm and not really pinky. I want it to be in the warm side, and the bronzer and the highlight goes well together. It looks so good. Like the highlight's not super glittery, and I just love it. for the final part, I'm using this EB Advanced lipstick in the shade Galore. And this is the final look. It's warm, it's brown, it's really cute. You can wear this everywhere. And yeah, if you guys wanted to see more of this, you can subscribe to my channel. And yeah, thanks for watching.